Okay, these are dilations notes. Dilations are a type of transformation where the figure gets larger or smaller. So right here, you're going to write in the enlargement or reduction of a figure, okay? The scale factor is what tells you how much the figure will enlarge or reduce. Probably familiar with scale factor, but we're going to use it for dilations here. The variable that we use for scale factor is K. When K is greater than 1, then the dilation is going to be an enlargement. You're making it bigger. And when K, or the scale factor, is less than 1, the dilation is a reduction. So the first one we're going to do is number 1, example 1. And it tells us that triangle RST has vertices R is negative 5, 1. So I'm going to graph that first, negative 5, 1. S is negative 3, 4. And T is 2, negative 1. Okay, so this is my pre-image. Get it all graphed. And now I'm going to look at my scale factor. My scale factor is 2. So what that tells me is I have to multiply my X and my Y of each of my points by 2. So I'm going to start with R. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Okay, so now I have my new set of coordinates that I need to graph. So R prime is negative 10, 2. So I'm going to count over 10 up 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up 2. And that's my R prime. Negative 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6. And then 4, 2. So I'm going to go this way. I'm sorry, 4, negative 2. And then here. And now I'm going to draw my new figure in. And I can see that sorry, my lines are not straight, but I can see that it is definitely an enlargement. And that makes sense because my scale factor is bigger than 1. And up here it told me scale factor greater than 1 is an enlargement. So that answer makes sense. So now I'm going to try, let's just go ahead and do number 3. We'll just make this a longer video. Rhombus JKLM with vertices at J, negative 10, 2. So I'm going to start there. So I'm going to go to negative 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then up 2. K is negative 2, 8. L is 6, 2. And M is negative 2, negative 4. So I'm going to draw in my lines. Okay, and I have my pre-image. Now I'm going to multiply everything by a scale factor of 1/2. That tells me, since it is less than 1, that I should have a reduction. So negative 10 times 1/2 is going to be negative 5. 2 times 1/2 is 1. Negative 2 times 1/2 is negative 1. 8 times 1/2 is 4. 6 times 1/2 is 3. 2 times 1/2 is 1. Negative 2 times 1/2 is negative 1. And negative 4 times 1/2 is negative 2. So now I have my new points to put in. So J is negative 5, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. K is negative 1, 4. L is 3, 1. And M prime is negative 1, negative 2. So when I get all those in and I draw my figure, what I want you to notice, it did get smaller like we expected. It is a reduction, but also the points didn't change position in relation to each other. J is still between K and M. L is still between K and M. Everything is still kind of in its general spot. So that was the last example for now. There will be an assignment of pages for you to print and do. And you'll turn those in on March 30th. You'll have a new assignment with new notes on Thursday. So this is the assignment for Monday, March 16th. I hope you guys have a good week.